I'm my bad for real. I might crack for real. Drinking only so I know much is here. I feel like cause I'm going to the hill. I did this shit for real. I did that shit with no motherfucking deal. Drinking only so I know I'm chill. I feel like I can't go to hill. I do this shit for real. Hey.
What's going on YouTube? This your boy Tokyodadon, man. And today, guys, we're in North Dakota. We're in Fargo, North Dakota. So the reason why I'm in North Dakota right now is because I'm dropping a load off. I picked up in Duluth, Georgia, Thursday before Christmas, and then I left out on Saturday at 7 o'clock. So what we taking back here is we have some steel beams, aluminum beams. So right now we're taking the aluminum beams and we're delivering them to Bismarck, North Dakota. When I tell you guys, listen, man, I've been in this Hotshot, been driving for Hotshot probably about 3 months in. Hey, it's good money, but you definitely got to put in the work, and you want to make sure you plan ahead, check the weather, knowing where you're going. That's a big factor to me as a driver. So I drive for my brother Cam. My brother Cam already there dispatching. Y'all know what's going on. Already dispatching. You know, so that's what's going on. It's already there. But right now, I'm caught in the blizzard storm. So the load's supposed to been dropped off at 2 p.m. And today, I cannot drop the load off because it's unsafe. We're in unsafe conditions. And basically, I can't even get my truck unstuck. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm finna get this truck unstuck so I can at least go to the hotel and get me some rest. So when I tell you guys, it's so cold out here, man. Like,
the temperature was 15 below that day.
Cold, and you gotta make sure you pay attention and be focused and take your time. Don't matter what all them other damn jobs you trying to be on your hands and all that crazy stuff. Don't worry about that. You just focus on getting your truck, getting to that load, and dropping the load off safely and coming back to your family. So that's all that matters to me. So that being said, here's what's going on. I'm taking this right here. This weighs about 9,000 pounds. So the Dodge, this is a Dodge 1999, 3500. So it's a wheel drive. So there's no 4-wheel drive. So this all wheel drive. So this baby, to make it all the way up here is 25 hours from Duluth, Georgia, all the way up until Bismarck. What is it? North Dakota, Bismarck, North Dakota. I had a brain fart right there, but yeah, man. So, like I said, on these roads, I literally witnessed a driver crash.
Folks just got in an accident, boy. Oh my God. Shit crazy, boy. I'm finna get the fuck on.
He was in a regular pickup truck. He was going fast, and basically, I seen him pass me, and about 3 miles down, I ended up seeing him wreck into another car. So I rolled down my window just to see what's going on. Another car runs to him, so I had to immediately leave the scene. I was gonna check, see what was going on, but I was like, gotta go. Because obviously, if they didn't see him, they damn sure ain't gonna see this big ass truck with the 9,000 pounds on it. So I won't be fault for no couches. So yeah, man. So yeah, with the roads, like I said, last night I pulled over because I seen one of my straps. They looked unloose and I wanted to check the trailer. What you do is, on this type of road, icy road, never pull over. You can leave that for another city, another time, but never pull over. The reason why you want to pull over, you don't want your ass hit by
When I was saying don't pull over, I was saying like at least pull to a safe rest stop. You see what I'm saying? Don't pull to an edge or nothing, because your ass gonna get hit.
So I wasn't too bad, but my ass was still stuck and I could not get out the situation. But that still did not make me late to my load. But we'll talk about that when I get done with this. I had to winch me out. I called 911. I'm like, I need help. I'm in Fargo, North Dakota. I need help. Somebody come get me. Send a goddamn tow truck.
The road like dangerous.
These niggas talk too much, they hoes. Ride with a glizzy, I keep me a pole. My brother, he say he slimy, wiping nose. I don't give a fuck about that petty ass hoe. Fuck that little bitch and I leave. These bitches mad, they don't know about me.
So I don't be late to my load. And then you gotta think, man, I'm nervous. I'm 21, so I ain't gonna play. I was nervous as hell. I ain't fucked up the truck, so that's good. I ain't messed up though. So, and I still got my life, and the load still stuck. So thank God for that. See what I'm saying? But yeah, so basically, I had to pay $150 just for him to tow it out. But God, thank God I made it safe. So here, I'm right now. I was gonna make it to my load, but I found out it was a blizzard storm. So they said all highways and roadways are closed off. So
Look at this shit, y'all. This shit ass. Shit is terrible. Like, nigga cannot see at all.
therefore, I'm trying to be a hotel. And hopefully tomorrow, if the weather clears up, I can drop my load off. So basically, you want to let your dispatcher know, and the customer who you're picking up from, let them know everything that is happening. So you won't be accountable or fault for picking up. So that being said, I'm going to find my hotel, and I'll let you guys go.
So now you guys, I'm trying to get this trailer bunched up. So basically, right here you can see in the front, I got this pole right here. I'm not trying to hit the pole, and plus, I got the whole trailer right there. And then, I only got a little room right there, so I'm finna try to make it work, y'all. In a safety order.
I made it far up the hill, but not enough to get over the hill.
Right here. I cannot go up here. I'm trying to go up here, but I'm just have to sit my ass down. Like, I'm gonna let you guys know when I do leave or how I left and when I get to my hotel. But you guys stay tuned. If you done made it this far, like, comment, subscribe. On my type of channel, it's gonna be everything, like daily life, sneaker reviews, prank videos, some shit with some hoes. Like, this just on some, you know, shit, what I do to get money type shit. So y'all folks letting them know the back scenes and, you know, the behind the shit, the Tyler Perry of this shit. You see what I'm saying? So y'all folks stay tuned in, man. I appreciate y'all. And just, you know what I mean? See if y'all fuck with this type of content, just let me know. You know what I'm saying? Right now, guys, I'm getting plowed out. I look like Roscoe from Martin. He got damn snot on my nose. I'm getting plowed out, guys. If I seen the tow truck, man. First we gonna scrap it out. Scrap the truck, and this dude who I just met, he came to help me, man. So that goes to show you that you got nice people in the world. He don't know me from can of spray paint, but he came to the rescue, and then the plowman came too. So
currently, I was at Fargo, North Dakota. That's why I had stopped there. So I ended up getting stuck trying to get off the exit, but finally got off the exit.
No kidding.
And once I took off to leave, I got stuck again.
It's crazy. So look, guys, so let y'all know what's going on. And he got the car seat in the back. So he don't need, he just do this just to do it, really. Ooh, got all different angles coming to help me. Look, I don't even know these people, but you know, once you're a God child, you know, do right, you know, try to do right. You know what I'm saying? Do right for the fam. Shit, God seen one of them different type of Christmas gifts. You know what I'm saying? Look at these folks working hard, man, helping me out. God damn sure do the same for them. Literally, physically. But that what's going on, man. I appreciate these guys, man. He trying to get all he can, goddamn. So, like I said, guys, right here, this is a guy that I just met. He came to help me get the truck unstuck. Tell him what's your name, bro.
My name is Felix.
Where you from?
I'm from Russia. I just said,
wow.
Hey, everybody from Russia.
Wow, that's crazy. You just said, hey, everybody from Russia. That's crazy. So, tell them what you do.
I drive a box truck. Just, I know, heavy club, business and all that.
Okay. Okay, there you go.
Anyway, we got this stuff almost down.
Almost.
We got the another truck outside.
Helping us out.
Now we go.
Sorry, bro.
Alright, man.
Alright, bro. You be safe. But yeah.
Guys.
Yeah, y'all have a good one. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell them like, comment,
subscribe.
Alright. Cool. Alright. One more time. Oh, bro, it's cold. This frostbite shit ain't making it no better.
It was so cold that the truck had a hard time starting up. It was 15 below that day.
Woo! That baby cold. That baby is cold. That baby cold. Lily, buried in the snow.
Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention I'm 21. This is my first time going to North Dakota.
I'm finna
and
plow the
truck's
truck out.
first time going to North Dakota.
Use the snow plow, remove some of the snow. So I'll catch you guys when I'm getting done with everything. So you guys, we made it. I made it safe to my load. So now we're about to get this bad baby unloaded so I can get the fuck out of North Dakota. ASAP. What type of forklift you using? That's so cool. So, YouTube, we're unloaded, man. Thank God himself. I'm ready to get the hell out of North Dakota. It's been cool. I'm finna grab me some barbecue called Dickie's. Finna eat some of that, and I'll be on my way. I'm headed to Mandan, about 15 minutes in North Dakota, and I'm headed to Dallas, Texas. So I'll let you guys know when I pick up my next load. And yeah,
YouTube, man, to let you guys know, man, I appreciate you for watching my video. That drive, I took a 25-hour drive. It took one day, 25 hours and 3 minutes. So, man, that was a hell of an experience, man. I went through a lot, basically, going up there. So I advise any truckers or, guys who's trying to go up there, man, your ass better be prepared, man. That's all I got to say, man. Your ass better be prepared. And, man, I'm out. I ain't finna hold y'all long, man. Just like, comment, subscribe. You know what the fuck going on.
Yeah. I ain't made it much. Lenses on me, know that I'm stunned. It's Halloween, bitch, I'ma aim at your pumpkin. These niggas make guaranteed I ain't gunning. I living my life in this shit like the jungle.